Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like you're skiing on Dress to Impress. So get your gear on, just dress up however you want to, and you're just going to grab the dress, turn off scale and sleeves, and I'm also going to make it matte. I'm going to make this, let me just change the top a little bit. Okay. Leave it as white for ice, and then you're going to go to coats and you're going to grab this and you're going to color it this color, and you're going to turn off axe and you're going to do bounce. Then you're going to walk and grab the basketball or the other, whoa, what just happened? The other ball, and you're going to color it white. Alright, and then for the last trick, you're just going to go to post back and you're going to select the star one, and it looks like you're skiing. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.